get the x completely alone, take the square root of both sides, take into consideration both the positive and negative root of that, and you will get your solution. So square root of 24 has the factors 4 times 6. Square root of 4 comes out as a 2. The 6 stays as it is. And that would be your two solutions. Negative 2 root 6, comma 2 root 6. Again, when you're entering these online, you do have to list your solutions. Okay, it's possible that you won't just get x squared by itself. It might be it might have a coefficient to it. If that's the case, just get rid of your coefficient, undo it. So here we divide by 4, giving us x squared is equal to 5. Extract the square root, giving you x is equal to. Take into consideration both the positive and negative root, and that would be your solution, or your two solutions. Okay, now, if you, so this is also extracting the square root. All right, so the last one here, rather than, again, expanding this out, distributing the two, combining your like terms, and then trying to factor by rewriting the middle term or by trial and error, what you can do for this is the exact same process. If you have just a single variable that you see and it's embedded in that binomial square, if we isolate the binomial, so we divide by 2, and then extract our square root directly in that binomial form, we would get x plus 6 is equal to, take into consideration both the positive and negative root. 20 is 4 times 5, and so if you extract the root from 4, you get 2. 5 stays as it is. And then you isolate your x completely by subtracting 6. When you write this form, you're going to put your rational part in front of the irrational part. So you're not going to write this as plus or minus 2 root 5 minus 6. When you subtract 6 from the other side, you're going to put that in front. Okay, so you're going to get x is equal to the negative 6 is in front, plus or minus 2 root 5. So when you enter your answers, you're going to enter it as negative 6 minus 2 root 5, comma, negative 6 plus 2 root 5. Okay. Again, to type in the square roots, you would enter this as negative 6 minus 2 square root 5, negative 6 plus 2 square root 5 in parentheses. If you forget the manner in which you enter that the square roots or any of the symbolic representations, there's that equation editor, and you're encouraged to use that if that's the case.